In a sunlit town makerspace, a compact AI-powered 3D printer tackles repair parts for everyday gadgets in minutes. When a neighbor breaks a lawn mower pulley, the machine scans a catalog, tweaks a model, and prints a perfect substitute. This isn't sci-fi, it's practical science reshaping how communities fix things, save money, and cut waste. Local students learn CAD by racing to simplify complex parts, while seniors see how simple tools empower independence. By turning problems into printable solutions, the town discovers that accessible tech can stitch resilience into daily life.